Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another interesting edition here. Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys some little tricks, and it's gonna start with a simple question. Have you ever experienced such a situation where you just step into your car, start up your car, and your car start up, you turn on your AC system, and voila, instead of blowing a cold air, it suddenly starts blowing warm air out of this vent? What could be the problem? Well, stay tuned if that is actually the reason why you are here, because I'm gonna be listing all the factors that can actually make your AC to suddenly start blowing warm air out of the vent or just stopped cooling. Even though when you're seeing the button is still on and it's still on lowest temperature, still it's not bringing a cold air out of the vent. Just stop blowing cold. Now I want you to look at this. Let's picture this. All right, if suddenly the driver's side just stop blowing cold air and the passenger side blows cold air, that's a different thing. All right, now that is, technically speaking, I need to address that. Let me not linger your mind through it. All right, that is technically speaking a flap control problem or a zone control problem, which is gonna be dealing with this guy here. Right, so a simple replacement of this very control panel here might suffice in fixing your AC problem. Now let me shut off this car right now because the cost of gasoline is extremely high in Nigeria. Let me shut this down and shut down the car. Okay, here, so if suppose it's not actually only the driver's side that is blowing, that you noticed that is blowing warm air, it is imperative for you to actually check all the vents. A hand feel is often the best and know if it is actually bringing a cold air across or the same temperature across the 4 vents. And if it is the same temperature across the 4 vents, then relax. All right, I'm still gonna help you through this. I'm still gonna assist you to pinpoint your mind towards this and figure out exactly why the problem happened. Now, there are some other people whom this is actually going to happen to, and the car will shut off. I'm going to actually discuss that in the next video. If you suddenly notice that your compressor just seized up and engine would not start, I'll tell you why it happens. The reason why is because I am doctor of car AC systems. In as much as car AC system is concerned, I am the doctor, so I know pretty much everything about car AC systems and different symptoms you're gonna be feeling in your car. So let's get there. One of the main major reasons why your car AC system suddenly out of the blue sky when you're busy, you could be actually with your wife, your kids, going to a very suitable vacation somewhere, maybe in Africa, maybe in Bahamas or in Caribbean, and all of a suddenly you started witnessing this. The first thing first, confirm that the light on the AC climate control button is on. Then you want to go ahead and pop your hood open. Now the second thing you want to also check is, you want to check this reading here and make sure that the maximum temperature is all the way up. The fourth, the third, I forgot to count. Yeah, it's obviously I don't know how to count. You want to make sure if it is a VW model that nobody presses this econ button, because if you press the econ button, it automatically de-energizes the compressor and the compressor will not spin, and here automatically we start blowing warm air. I hope this is clearly understood. So with this out of in place, now let's get into the real business why in most other cars you can actually feel this. The first one, which you obviously gonna be facing, is a blown fuse. A blown fuse can actually cause your car to suddenly shut off, and not just your AC system. Most car AC systems are routed through the AC compressor power is routed through the fuse. So first you come over here to the hood. Let me point your mind towards the right direction. Pull this guy up. Now when you open your hood, most of the car makes and model which I've actually seen have the compressor which is over here, and the fuse is routed through a fuse inside the box. So if you have the steering at this side here, you trace it right there, you're going to be finding the fuse box around that area. So you want to open this box right here. For this Volkswagen model, just need to slide this back, and that's all you're going to do, and you pop this guy open. Now, ta-da! There is no indication right here, but that is not the same with Nissan, Toyota, and some other car makes and model, which you often going to see a label concerning what this fuse governs. So if you find a blown fuse and is actually designated for AC compressor, then you are the lucky person to actually find that to be the culprit why your AC system is not blowing cold air. But if suppose after checking all that and there is not any fuse blown right in the fuse box right there, then you might not be the lucky guy. Now the other factor that can actually cause a sudden AC turn and start blowing warm air is if there is something sharp like a knife or a mechanical attack that actually attack the refrigerant circuitry. Either I've seen this in most models where the rubber material here get blown out of proportion due to age, and some I've seen some car experiencing mechanical damage on the condenser, and the refrigerant just popped into the air. So if you are not fortunate enough and you encounter such, then automatically your AC system is gonna start blowing warm air right inside the vent. Now there is one more thing, which is most likely why you could be having that problem. It's not just one more thing. I'm sorry, I'm just messing with you. Is a leak. Maybe this leak, right? You are not really noticing that there is a leak, but this leak is taking a toll on your car AC system gradually, that reduces the refrigerant below the acceptable range, and the trinary switch just cut off the power going to the compressor. Then you are still on the lucky guy. To it a little bit more complex so that this video could walk you through a whole lot of processes. All right, if suppose you're actually going through a very terrible road, and before getting out of the terrible road you started experiencing that, then it could be a mechanical problem that attacked one of the wirings or electronic component that is actually responsible for governing your AC system that is actually out. So scanning your car with a scan tool can actually be the best way to figure out exactly what really happened. But if you don't have a scan tool, well, it can be getting a little bit rigorous more. Now the most common part is a compressor failure. This compressor failure could be internal structural failure, which could be the piston got broken or the clutch got fried. And that is for most systems that are equipped with clutch, not with this one here that is not a detachable clutch. So in such situation, you will have instantaneous warm air blowing in your vents. Now the last two guys which I'm going to be using to wrap this up is one, in some other case, if you've checked the whole thing which I listed here, I talked about here, and they are not actually your own problem, make sure that this very drive belt here is not snapped, because if it's snapped or too loose, well, you will have a warm air right there blowing inside your cabin. Then if suppose any of the fan here, the fan stop blowing, especially let's say this fan suddenly stop blowing while the AC is on. Maybe the fuse that controls the fan stop blowing, blowed up for any reason. If the fuse that controls this two fan, radiator fan here, blowed up for any reason, then you will have instantaneous warm air blowing in your cabin. Why? Because your AC system needs the constant working of this your radiator fan to actually improve the condensation going on inside the condenser. So without a fan, no radiator fan, no AC, no cold air. So I am certain that this video solved your problem. Point your mind towards the direction to know where the problem, why your car suddenly start blowing warm air, is stemming from. And in regard to that, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any further question concerning this, be sure that you are my subscriber before asking me a question. Else I will take it that you not actually value the information which I just put out here for you to use and fix your car, and so I will likely not respond to you. But if you want to get more advanced about this very topic here, which there are a lot of other factors that can actually cause your AC to suddenly start blowing warm air, I just listed some of the few top commons one that can actually cause it. So if you needed more information, you want to join my membership, then I give you more information about how this entire system is connected together. And that's more like having a training program without paying for the full K required. Catch you guys later. I remain Dr. Kuro Fix. Bye for now.